How are you doing? I hope you're doing fit and fine and in the best of your health. I finally got hands on this bad boy, yes, the iPhone 13 Pro Max, after a very long wait. And maybe it's worth it, right? So if you want to catch on the unboxing and the first impressions, please do keep watching. Hey, this is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. Please keep in mind, I'm not a tech reviewer, but I'll try and give my best to it. Now, let's go ahead with the unboxing. Moving to the packaging, this iPhone 13 Pro Max has a black packaging compared to the other iPhone, which has white packaging and no plastic due to environmental reasons. Everything on this packaging is written in gold to show the color of the mobile. So here on the front we have how the phone originally looks like. iPhone written here. We have the Apple logo and again iPhone written here in gold. Everything on the packaging is on gold and the Apple logo again over here. Now we shall open the box. This is the back side of the box and this says iPhone 13 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California and assembled in China, and it comes with two pull tabs. So now going to the most satisfying part, pulling the tabs. Finally opening this. Wow, this has a huge camera bump and looks so royal. The mobile indeed looks so royal and very beautiful. Going to the box first, we have some paperwork as usual. We have the SIM eject tool, more paperwork and an Apple sticker. Keeping this aside, we have then the cable, charging cable. This one is the Lightning to USB-C cable. Now let's put everything back in the box as it is and we will focus next on the main part, the mobile itself. To use this charging cable, you will require this 20 watts power adapter, which is sold separately and doesn't come together with the box. It has got textured matte glass at the back and stainless steel design, which is totally a finger magnet. And we have the front part. We're going to the most satisfactory part of removing this cover. Whoa, this definitely looks so pretty. It comes with a small notch and we will now switch on the phone. It has got a ceramic shield front, a smaller top notch and a 6.7-inch display. It has also got a faster adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. That is called ProMotion. This iPhone 13 Pro Max has a thickness of 7.65 mm and weighs 238 grams. This has also a highest and the largest battery life ever of any iPhone that you have seen so far. It is slightly bumpy because of the huge camera bump that you see at the back. Moving to the setup now. Swipe up to open. We press English and then you got to choose which country you are based in. Right now I'm in United Arab Emirates, so I'll select that. A quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. We will press setup manually at the moment. We will now choose the preferred languages, keyboard and dictation. Preferred languages and hit continue. Choosing through the network, we choose another network. It may take a few minutes to activate my iPhone, so we'll flip over and talk about the camera first. iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with the 12 megapixel camera. Here we have the telephoto, which is 77 mm focal length and comes with an aperture of 2.8. Then we go to ultra wide, which has 13 mm of focal length and aperture of 1.8. Here we have the wide, which is 26 mm focal length and aperture of 1.5. It has got a flash and a LiDAR scanner and a 3 times optical zoom in and up to 15 times digital zoom. The camera also has sapphire crystal lens cover, which makes it harder for scratches. iPhone 13 series phones have a cinematic mode for recording videos with a shallow depth of field. And the iPhone 13 Pro models can record a ProRes resolution of 4K at 60 fps that are for phones from 256 GB and above. The 4K videos eat a lot of storage, so you might want to go for higher gigabytes option or storage option. I'll be doing the camera test and the video test later, so do watch out for that also. Giving you a much more closer look of the camera. With this camera you can easily click lovely low light photos and they wouldn't be grainy as well. So here's the camera again. Now it asks me to set up the Face ID. We'll hit continue first. How to set up Face ID? First position your face in the camera frame and then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Let's get started. Hitting continue. Second Face ID. Face ID is now set up. Hit continue again. Need to create a passcode. I'll just set it up and get back to you. After setting up the passcode, it takes me to this page of data and privacy. I hit continue. And now for apps and data, we can transfer and choose from one of the options. So I will transfer my data from my previous phone to switch to this one. It says welcome to iPhone. Now I swipe up to get started. See, it's just got such a fast refresh rate. I finished the entire setup, including transferring the data, setting up my Apple ID, Siri, and lots more. And these are some of the pre-installed apps that comes when you switch on the phone. It has got 12 megapixel camera on the front and various modes like slow-mo, time-lapse, cinematic, video, photo, portrait, panorama. And if you want a separate video on how the camera and the video works like, I'm especially excited about the cinematic mode, do let me know. I'll be making a separate video on the same. So the phone does feel a bit heavier and thicker as well, but Apple had to provide this for a larger battery life, and honestly I don't mind it, but I wish the frames were a bit matte, and also this Apple logo totally a fingerprint magnet, but it's really not the end of the world. If you have a case, it'll not really make a difference. When I took out of the box and you started using it with minimum usage, the battery lasted for a good 4 days. So depending on your usage, your battery life will vary from 3 to 4 days or even 5 days at times. It has also got a maximum depth of 6 meters up to 30 minutes if underwater. So it is like any other normal mobiles. I also wanted to show you how the gold color looks during the daytime. This is how it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? And so royal. And I will also show you how it looks outdoors. Love the gold color. So overall, about my first impressions of this iPhone 13 Pro Max, I really love the gold color. I was totally confused between the gold and graphite, but I usually end up having black mobile, so this time I went for gold. And this will be my first foray into the world of iPhones, coming from a Note 8. I'm totally excited about it. Also noticing that some parts are raised up a bit. Here about that SIM card ejector, it is usually a bit low, but they have raised it up a little in this mobile. And I am okay with the camera bump. It will be protected by the case. So this pretty much wraps up my unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm totally in love with the ProMotion as well. It is pretty smooth and buttery smooth actually. I hope you liked the video, and if you want me to cover on how iPhone 13 Pro Max is in regards to the camera or the video quality, please do let me down below in the comments, and also which color you think looks the best. I prefer the gold or the graphite, but yeah, many are going with Sierra Blue also. Please do let me know what is your favorite color. If you have liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well, clicking the notification bell button below, because many of you have not subscribed to my channel, so will really appreciate if you can. And do pour in your comments and love. Also share this video with your friends and family to help them make a decision too. Till next time, goodbye and see ya.